What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel Buy the Dip. And today we're going to talk about that Gnog, that's right, that golden nugget online gaming, and it's having a very phenomenal week. And there's been a lot of good news going around. We're going to cover some of that today. So guys, hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, please smash that thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I will reply to you. So guys, let's get to the video. Alright guys, and a quick little rundown here of the chart. As you can see, we're setting at $14.47 for golden nugget coming out of this bear market. And as you can see, I'm still holding the 110 shares at an average cost of $13.14. So my current Robinhood position is up 10.11%, up $146 and change. And just plan on holding this. May decide to do some selling some covered calls, get some of that premium, and start the wheel strategy here as the price continues to climb. So as you can see, today we're up 6.5% on the day alone. Let's see, the 1 week we are up 8.88%, and the 1 month we are up 15.76%. And that's because, as you can see down here in the bear market, this was down to $10, which is just truly crazy that it was down that low. But we have climbed back out of it. Maybe this is what we needed to get a little bit of a bull market on the run. So let's go ahead and cover some news that is out right now on golden nugget that could be a little bit of help of why the stock is climbing. All right guys, and there's this article out here on the Yahoo Finances. Golden nugget online gaming launches online games portfolio in Michigan. This was just published yesterday, Monday, June 7th. And here is the news that Gnog is broadening its content offering in Michigan as it gives players diverse slot and table games portfolio. The online gaming company has confirmed it will offer an additional 50 games with the integration of international game technology, slots, and table games. The addition of the 50 games for Gnog's online players response players in Michigan showing strong interest in land-based pedigree games. Some of the games that players will have access include the Wheel of Fortune, Mega Ways slot game. And this here is a quote by Warren Stephen. We continue to grow the portfolio of content in Michigan. We are excited to expand our games repertoire by launching IGT's games in the state. This will broaden our content with the IGT's innovative features and instantly recognizable games available to our online patrons. And that was the quote by Warren Stevens. All right, now as we continue on this here, it says in May, Jefferies analyst David Katz reiterated a buy rating on the stock following impressive first quarter results. The online gaming company delivered $26.7 million in revenues in line with consensus estimates of $26.8 million. It also posted a narrower than expected adjusted EBITDA loss of $3.5 million compared to the street's estimate of $5.2. So they came in better there, which is phenomenal. That's what we want to hear. Katz stated, we made a modest adjustments based on commentaries around revenue, cadence, and margin. For fiscal year 2021, our estimates are relatively unchanged at $143.7 million for revenue and $22.5 million for adjusted EBITDA loss versus $143 million and $22.2 million of losses prior. We are increasing our fiscal year 2022 and 2023 revenues estimates slightly to be $233 million and $310 million respectively from the $224 million and $308 million prior, driven by the rollout. This here is starting some key information in this article, guys. The analyst has a $28 price target on the stock, implying a 115% upside potential to current levels. Consensus among the analysts is a moderate buy based on 2 buys. The average analyst price target of $24 implies a 84.9% upside potential to the current levels. Gnog scores an 8 out of 10 on the Tip Ranks Smart Score ranking system, indicating that the stock has a strong potential to outperform market expectations. And here you can see, if you go in here and have this link pulled up yourself, you can kind of see a little better But here it is, the outperformance at 8 out of 10, and down here is the categories that they have. They have the analyst ratings as a moderate buy. They have blogger opinions as bullish. That'd be me, I'm a blogger, so I'm definitely bullish on this. Hedge funds activity decreased. Insider activity is not applicable. Tip ranks investors is very positive. News sentiment very bullish. Technicals are negative, and the fundamentals are still kind of, NAs is kind of new. So there it is, guys. That is the news that came out, and I'm not necessarily saying that is the news that made this thing go a little crazy here on the chart, but we will take it. As you know, it's been a while since, if you look back here on the 1 year, we were up pretty good up here. You know, we were almost $26 back in December. And it's just been on a crazy downtrend in this market. So to go from 26 the whole way down to $10, that's a $16 decrease. Man, that is a huge, huge downswing. But we are on the road up in the $14.47 right now. So we're looking pretty good to come back up into profits. Let's go take a peek of these actually options real quick, because I do have 100 shares. So I was looking at possibly doing some covered calls, and I don't know. Right now it goes out to, the closest one is June 18th, which is exactly 10 days from now. And the way this stock's been moving kind of recently, I don't know if I want to put this one out 10 days in advance for just, like if I do a $15 selling a call, it would give me $43 premium. And if I go up to $17.50, it's only $8. So for me, I think I want to hang on a little bit, because these dates for me, I'm not really a fan of. I like when the stock has weekly expiration dates. So that way, you know, because if this thing takes off and I have to sit here and hold it until that contract runs out, that's going to be hard to buy it back. It's like if I'm forced to sell this at 15 and the stock shoots up to 18 to 20, that is going to be a little harder to buy when I have currently a $13 price target on it. So for me, I'd like to see when this can get a little bit more into weekly options. I think that'd be pretty sweet. What does buying a call look like? What's the farthest we got on buying a call? Wow. So on buying a call, we can actually go out to January 20th of 2023. Woo! That is pretty crazy, guys. Can you imagine going that far? That is pretty insane. Now, actually the prices are not like horrible. Like if you go up here to a $15 or even a $17.50, I mean, you're talking, you get, what is that? Almost a year and a half for like if you do the $17.50 for a year and a half, $435. So basically you need this to be around, your break even is going to be like 22 roughly. And by a year and a half, I don't know, will it get up there? It looks like it's going to get there here in the next couple months, the way it's going. Being up, you know, what is it, 6% today and 8% for the week. I mean, it's looking beautiful. So, guys, just wanted to bring you this update here on Gnog. I was super excited to come back and talk about it. I'm super excited about it, as you guys know. I still have it in the portfolio. I'm not touching it. For anyone that don't know, that hasn't watched my videos, I have the 110 shares on Robinhood. I do have 135 shares in my Fidelity account, and I do have a couple shares sitting in my Webull account. Puts me all in for close to 240, 250 shares of Gnog, which is why I love this stock. And it is one of my bigger holdings. Between this and CCIV, I believe, are probably my two biggest holdings of stocks is Golden Nugget and CCIV. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.